Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girls. So today I'm working with UNICE. They sent me over this 7x5 Bye Knots wig. It's kinky straight and it's 24 inches. It's so beautiful. Look at this wig, y'all. Look at this wig. It is so stunning. It's so sleek. I love it. But if you guys want to see me install this wig real quick, also it's glueless. I forgot to mention that. If you guys want to see me install this wig real quick, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. Hey y'all. So I've got a UNICE wig today. First, you get your little silk bag, a baby hair brush, edge wrap, and some wig caps. Your wig will come like so. Okay, so this is a 7x5 Bye Knots wig. It's Yaki Kinky Straight and it's 24 inches. All right, and you also get some Bye Knots stickers. I always want to use those, but then I don't know. If the wig can lay down well without it, I'm not using them. So, all right, so here is the wig. She's nice and long. She is really long, 24 inches. She says she is Yaki Straight. Hopefully you guys can see the texture on there. Let's get a close-up on the lace. The lace looks really good. It's pre-plucked, it's pre-cut, and the knots are pre-bleached as well. It looks really nice. Get into the construction of this wig. Inside, it is a 7x5, so 7 inches left to right, 5 inches deep. We have an adjustable elastic band. We have a drawstring in the back that's gonna give you some extra adjustment so it can fit nice and snug to your head. We have a comb at the back and then also adjustable straps on the sides. It looks really good, nice and spacious in there. Oh, this wig looks so good though already. Should I keep it in the middle part? I don't know. I think I might. But it's so freaking long. Look at the ends. The ends look really good. It has a lot of movement. We love a lot of movement. Also with the kinky straights, you don't want to style it too much like with curls because it doesn't hold a curl for very long. Kinky straight is like supposed to be straight. Don't even try to manipulate her into a different curl pattern or something because it just won't last too much. So I'll just run the straightener through it. But yes, all right, so let's get into it. I'm just gonna put some foundation on the lace, and then I'll be back. This is gonna be real quick and easy because honestly I think I'm gonna keep it in the middle part, and I'm gonna just have to run the straightener through it just a little bit just to get these packaging kinks out, and that's pretty much it. This is gonna be a nice, easy, quick install. Okay. The wig is laid. Laid. Look at the lace, y'all. It looks so good. I did go in and pluck a little bit more, just a tiny bit. I put some baby hairs in here, left it in a middle part. The hair straightened so nicely. So nicely. It's so long too. Hold on, let me get back a little bit so y'all can see how long this 24 inches is. It goes all the way down to like my hips when I'm sitting down. The wig is beautiful. It's tangle free. Super easy to manage. It didn't take me very long to install this wig. Honestly, I feel like it took the longest to make my little baby hairs, but if you don't want baby hairs, it's gonna be a breeze to put on. I didn't glue it down. It's still glueless, y'all. So that's also half of the reason why it took so fast to install, because you don't really have to do much. It's an easy wig to install. It's perfect for beginners, and it's really quick. So yes, the hair looks so good. There's a lot of parting space at the top, so you guys can do different hairstyles if you like. You can also cut this hair into like some layers, but I just wanted the middle bust down. I feel like it looks super cute, but maybe down the line I'll put some like layers in it or something. But yes, the wig turned out really nicely, you guys. The lace looks so good. So good. I love when a lace just melts without. I didn't even have to use the edge band, y'all. I didn't even use it. And it looks so good. It looks like I melted this wig down. But yes, that is my review on this wig from UNICE. Again, it is a 7x5 closure wig. It is a bye-bye knots wig. So it is pre-plucked, pre-cut, and the knots are pre-bleached. It's 24 inches and it's Yaki Straight. So stinking cute. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information and the direct links to this wig and all the other wigs that they provide on their website as well. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.